10 Best Things to Do in Las Vegas. Las Vegas, a city known for its dazzling lights, world-class entertainment, and unparalleled excitement, attracts millions of visitors every year. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, there's always something new to discover. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, here are the top 10 things you should do in Las Vegas. 1. Explore the Las Vegas Strip. The Las Vegas Strip is undoubtedly the heart and soul of the city. Stretching over 4 miles, this vibrant street is lined with luxury hotels, themed resorts, and entertainment venues. Walk along the strip to see the famous fountains of the Bellagio, the replica of the Eiffel Tower at Paris, Las Vegas, and the majestic pyramid of the Luxor. You'll find some of the city's most iconic attractions right here, making it a must-see for any visitor. Take your time to wander, people-watch, and enjoy the ever-changing energy of the strip. 2. See a Cirque du Soleil show. Cirque du Soleil has become synonymous with Las Vegas entertainment, offering visually stunning, acrobatic performances that combine art, circus, and theater. There are several Cirque du Soleil shows running in Las Vegas, including O at the Bellagio, KA at the MGM Grand, and Mystere at Treasure Island. Each show is a unique experience with mesmerizing performances, daring stunts, and world-class artistry. If you're a fan of live performances, catching one of these shows is a bucket list item for many. 3. Visit the Fremont Street Experience. For a more vintage, old-school vibe, head to Fremont Street in downtown Las Vegas. This area offers a glimpse of what Las Vegas was like before the modern strip took over. Fremont Street is home to the Fremont Street Experience, a massive LED canopy that lights up the night sky with incredible light shows. You'll also find street performers, live music, and unique casinos that have been around for decades. It's the perfect place to experience the city's history while still enjoying the excitement of the present. 4. Take a gondola ride at the Venetian. The Venetian is one of Las Vegas's most beautiful and unique resorts, and its indoor canals are a standout feature. For a romantic or relaxing experience, take a gondola ride through the canals, where you can be serenaded by a gondolier as you drift past replicas of Italian landmarks and beautiful architecture. Whether you're traveling with a partner, friends, or solo, this ride provides a serene escape from the bustling strip, offering a taste of Venice right in the heart of Las Vegas. 5. Discover the High Roller Observation Wheel. Located at the LINQ Promenade, the High Roller is the world's tallest observation wheel. Standing at 550 feet, it offers spectacular 360-degree views of Las Vegas and the surrounding desert. The 30-minute ride is a must-do, especially at sunset or after dark when the city lights come alive. If you're seeking a breathtaking view of the strip, this is one of the best places to see it from above. For an extra treat, consider booking a cabin with a bar for a champagne toast while you enjoy the views. 6. Visit the Neon Museum. Las Vegas is known for its bright neon signs, and the Neon Museum is where you can see some of the most iconic ones up close. This outdoor museum, also known as the Neon Boneyard, houses a collection of vintage neon signs from old casinos, motels, and businesses that once defined the city. Guided tours are available, offering fascinating insights into the history of Las Vegas. The museum is especially stunning at night when many of the restored signs light up again, creating a nostalgic atmosphere of old-school Vegas. 7. Experience the Bellagio Fountains. The Bellagio Fountains are one of the most photographed spots in Las Vegas, and for good reason. These massive fountains perform choreographed water shows set to music, with jets that shoot water as high as 460 feet. The show runs every 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the time of day, and is free to watch. It's an iconic piece of Vegas spectacle that combines art, engineering, and entertainment, offering a memorable experience for anyone walking along the strip. 8. Try your luck at a casino. No trip to Las Vegas would be complete without a visit to one of its world-renowned casinos. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or a casual visitor, there's something for everyone. Try your hand at a game of blackjack, poker, or roulette, or enjoy the endless rows of slot machines. Even if you don't gamble, the casinos are worth visiting for their grandiose interiors, luxury shopping, and impressive decor. You'll get to experience the energy of the casino floor and see firsthand what makes Las Vegas the entertainment capital of the world. 9. Hike Red Rock Canyon. While Las Vegas is known for its nightlife and entertainment, it's also surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, located just 17 miles west of the city, offers a peaceful escape from the urban buzz. With miles of hiking trails, scenic drives, and awe-inspiring desert landscapes, Red Rock Canyon is a perfect spot for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you want to enjoy a leisurely hike, go rock climbing, or just take in the breathtaking views, this natural wonder is an easy and rewarding day trip from the Strip. 10. Take a helicopter tour of the Grand Canyon. For a truly unforgettable experience, take a helicopter tour to the Grand Canyon from Las Vegas. Many tour operators offer day trips that include an aerial view of the Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, and the stunning desert landscape, before reaching the majestic Grand Canyon itself. A helicopter ride offers a unique perspective of the canyon's immense size and beauty. Some tours even include a landing at the canyon's base for a picnic or champagne toast. It's an exhilarating adventure that offers a once-in-a-lifetime view of one of the world's natural wonders. Las Vegas is a city that truly has something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a culture enthusiast, or someone just looking to relax and take in the sights. With its mix of iconic landmarks, thrilling experiences, and natural beauty, it's easy to see why so many people return year after year. Whether you're visiting for a weekend or a week, these 10 activities are guaranteed to make your trip unforgettable.